Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Tesla stock, guys. So let's do the price action analysis, but as you saw in the thumbnail of this video that bears are in control, bears have taken over, and that's pretty much what it is, guys. So if you have seen my yesterday video on Tesla, I talked about that how just closing closer to this 50 days moving average yesterday, very on the downside, right below 175 was worrisome because this level of buyers that was holding at 175 to 173, whenever we came down there, buyers usually took it higher by the end of the day. But then yesterday we closed lower in the lower end range, right? And that was the worry that I had, that we might not be able to hold this 50 days moving average today. And as soon as we were about to lose that, well, yeah, that was a flush, right? That's what I was talking about. And this is the flush that we are getting today. Losing 171 and 47 cents area also gave us to the next level, right? 167 and 75 cents, our significant level. So yeah, guys, right now it all comes down to, Elon Musk's package, what would happen after that, and what we would come to know. It all comes down to that, but it's just not looking great the way this candle is coming. Structure is bearish now, okay? And it was pretty much just breaking below 50 days moving average was pretty much that's what it is. And at this point, if any area for the bulls, I would say that is this green box from $160 to $164. This is the place to watch if the price action holds consolidation here or some lower time frame, some signals that I'll show you in just in a second on hourly interval. But I want to show you my day trading bot first. Today there was no signal on the buy side of Tesla. Well, yeah, so today you can see there is nothing here because, well, we have been falling. So my bot automatically detects, reads the price action and other things. And so today it found nothing to buy, so we didn't get any buy position. And if you need access to my tools, links are in the description below. All right, so that was that. Let's go back to the daily interval and let's talk about, yeah, let's talk about the other things here. So, well, okay, let's go to the hourly interval actually. So, yeah, guys, as I said, structure is bearish. This is a strong supply zone now on Tesla sitting here. Let me adjust something on my other indicator real quick. Intraday depth level high. All right, so yeah, the problem is that the supply zone is created, structure is bearish. Tesla even tomorrow is not going to be bullish as long as we are not able to recapture 171 and 42 cents above, or 173 and 50 cents above. As long as we are not capturing this to the upside, it's not looking bullish to me. At this point, any rebound to 171 and 38 cents is just a candidate to be shorted, at least on the play, right? Yeah, this again, only the thing, if structure can be turned bullish at this point, would be the package thing, however market takes it. But that's the only catalyst that can turn around Tesla. There's just a lot of negative sentiment in the market for Tesla, or against Tesla I should say. And it's always been against Elon Musk in the market, right, in the mainstream media. So yeah, you can go article by article, you will see one after the other all the negative sentiment. These, again, in the market, it's not about what is the morality, what is the truth, what is the reality. Nothing matters that. It's all runs by Wall Street, all run by big money. You have to play with the price action because that's what can only give you an edge. If you go with the fundamentals and everything, it's Wall Street runs it, guys. They have the big money. They control the media, they control the articles, they control everything. All right, they have their positions already, and they create the narrative in the medias and all these things once they have put their money in that, in any direction, long or short, and the narratives are created around that by them. So yeah, that's that. But guys, yeah, that's in the price action, not complicated, very simple. Yeah, there's, right now I gave you the level as well. If any rebound comes to the level of 171 and 42 cents, it's just a rebound in the bearishness. Yeah, right now structure is not bullish, and it would not right now. I'm not seeing any signs of it. Once the price action starts to show me signs for that, I'll talk about it. But right now there is none. 107. If we can, without breaking further below 167 and 78 cents, if we can regain above 171 and 53 cents, we can start talking about bullishness again. Otherwise, no. This will rebounds. Will just right now are in the downtrend on Tesla. So yeah, unfortunately, that's what it is, guys. Broke to the downside. Anyways, I'll talk more about Tesla later as well today. While we are here, let's take a look at NIO as well. And so yeah, NIO, guys, that was it. Earnings fail. Well, pretty much the level was like $5.03. I talked about it. If we lose to that, you can expect downside. So yeah, we're getting into the downsides of the channel. But yeah, NIO is bearish, full on bearish right now. Yeah, sorry to say, but yeah, right now there's no structure to the upside right now. Zeekr is constantly being sold off as well. So this was the level I was talking about. If bulls can get it above $25.78, right, then this can continue higher. Otherwise, expect this to just continue lower. We rejected in that rebound, and you can see we are just continuing lower. It's in the lower highs, lower lows. It's in this trend direction right now. There is no structure to the upside. If any structure has to come to the upside, well, without breaking further below, we need to recapture $23.24 on this. Xpeng, yeah, it's just a beaten up thing, guys. Yeah, nothing there, nothing here to see on Xpeng. Yeah, Li Auto, yeah, Li Auto is going much lower. This is when we usually like swings up and down in this range. So yeah, let's see if it comes much more lower and it starts to then swing higher. But right now there is no sign of upside on this. So this, if it wants, it can fall much lower. The reason the other levels are not showing up is because I haven't adjusted the timeline on my indicator. If you have access to my indicator, you can adjust these timeline settings on my indicator, and these previous levels will also show up. Anyways, just before wrapping up, I wanna actually just take a look at QQ and SPY as well real quick. So thanks to Apple today, $11 up. I'll talk about QQ and SPY later today as well, but yeah, it's still bullish, guys. Structure is not bearish. Level to watch 460. And SPY is still bullish. Some slowness is coming, but its structure hasn't really confirmed yet any downside. It's still technically structure is still bullish on this. All right, yeah, it's unfortunate to see Tesla, guys, breaking to the downside, but that's what it is. Price action is to the downside now on Tesla. Let's see how long we stay down here. Yeah, I'm not seeing any even rebound or strength here. This looks like going through another flush. Let's see. Some intraday upside may come like a rebound if we can get above today 168.53. This will be the area, but right now it's not looking good. Oh no, guys, that's bad. Anyways, all comes down to Elon Musk's package, and for some reason I thought it was a $56 billion package. Look at it. These articles, people can't even write the numbers properly. 46 billion pay package. Wow, messing up the number. This is how bad in proofreading they are, right? Just Wall Street is saying, hey, just push out these articles. We have a short position. Let's push out these articles. Don't worry about the numbers, because the accurate number is 56 billion. Right, here you go. That's what I have known also about. Anyways, guys. All right, I'll see you in my next videos. All right, take care. Bye.